is you have to add and subtract algebraic fractions. Okay, so you students in previous knowledge, like we used to do this in our previous lessons. We used to do this like 3 upon 5 plus 4 upon 25. Student, if I ask you to simplify this, we express the following as a fraction in its simplest form. We have to express this in simplest form. Addition and subtraction. What we are going to do this, that express as a fraction. Please pay attention. Express as a fraction in its simplest form. Student, you have to express this fraction in the simplest form. This is not in simplest form. I will do it in simplest form. So hope you remember what is the LCM of this. Yes, student, this is your input. This will be purely
5
your
into 5. 5
LCM. I'm just asking what is LCM.
25.
LCM 25.
121.
Okay, I will make the new denominator same, right? 5 times 25, and this will be 5. Okay, it is 25 here. What should come here? 3 5 times 15
15.
plus 4. And now students, what is our final answer? Our answer is in
90
fraction.
or 24.
Oh, my student, our answer is in fraction. Look at this. Express as a fraction. Our answer in fraction, and also it is in the simplest form. If the answer is not in simplest form, you have to make the answer in simplest form. So our answer is purely in the simplest form. Now, what is the difference? Why we are studying in algebra? This one. Look at this. The reason is they have included variables as well. 25a and 5a. So you will write a over here and a over here. Sorry. And you will write a over here. That is your answer. There is no confusion of variable in the problem. The variable will remain same, because a and a, when when 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2, you the when two times a and a fraction coming, so you write one time a only. Like you write two, there are two twos in this fraction, but you're writing one time. Okay, so in this similar way, the answer is 2 upon 1. So, dear student, hope you are getting this idea. How many of you got this concept? How many of you? Any confusion? Then I will continue. Please.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we are given two variables, and if we are given to 5a and 25a, so sir, a and a will not be a square.
No, A will not be A square like this. Okay, look at this. This is 2 and this is 2. Did I write 2 square or only 2? What did I write?
Only, only
Only 2.
two.
So in the same way we will write 2. Okay, for instance, if square is here, so we will write the maximum power over here and then our answer will be here. Okay. Now my students, I'm going to explain question number 1. Please pay attention. Question number 1, exercise 6b. Exercise 6b. Look at now question number 1a. What is that? 7 upon 6a plus 4 upon 9a. Okay, my student, what is the LCM? Or in how many ways I can make the denominator same? Can anybody tell me how can I make the denominator same? Very
Sir,
simple.
12 will be 12 will be 12.
No. And now the pure method of this is 6 and this is 9. So let's see which number comes first in both numbers. So read the 6
3.
table. 6. Look at this 6, 12. No. In the multiple of this 18, 24. What about 9? 9, 18, 27. Which multiple is coming first? Hurry up. Which multiple is coming in both tables?
18.
Oh, very good.
18.
Now our now I can write 18 as the LCM, and I can do this like multiply by 318. This will multiply by 218. So 6 3 times 18 becomes, then now I multiply 1 plus times 2, that is 8, is equal to, what is the answer? Now LCM is A as well. Remember, variable, the only variable, the power of variable is 1. If there is a square, so I put the square over here. Okay, what is the answer now? 29 upon 18a. This is our fraction. Check, is this fraction in simplest form, or it can be further simplified? Yes.
Sir,
Can
can
it
we further simplify?
can it be further simplified or not?
Sir, it can be with 3.
Okay, this is it simplified, no further cancellation, right? So, this
3 nines are.
is the answer. So now I'm going to the other part of this question, that is the level
Sir,
has been increased.
Sir, it is 29 or 27?
Beta 21 plus 8, how much?
29.
Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you.
simplify.
Hmm?
It can be simplified.
Can be how? How can be simplified?
it is
With 3
summer.
fractions.
29 and 18 comes in any table.
Yes, sir. 3.
अरे भाई क्या हो गया? 29 3 के टेबल में कहाँ से आएगा?
That's sorry.
बेटा ये नहीं आता. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
The slide is gone.
हैं? How please explain why this is not correct?
That's correct. 29.
Yes.
Sir, it's correct. Answer is coming. 29 upon 18 is the correct answer.
Okay. Now the C part I am going to teach you when variables are different. So you write both variables. Like, look at this. The C part of this question number 1. So look at this. 1 upon 3C minus 1 upon 3D. So remember, my students, what is the LCM? First of all, we have to consider what is the LCM. 3, and now there are two different variables. So I like CD. Okay, I want to make this same denominator, so I multiply this by D, and D will be multiplied by this very number. Over here denominator is not same, so I multiply by C. Over here the same, so that it will be D. Okay, in numerator D minus C. Students, what is our final answer? 3CD. Can I simplify C and D?
Yes, sir.
Who is
No,
saying that we can cancel C and D?
no. Sir, it
Why?
cannot.
Why?
Sir, it cannot. Will be cancelled.
Why? Please tell me why.
सर कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता है.
बेटा मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ, क्यों कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता?
क्लियर नीचे वाला है सी और डी मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, ऊपर वाला डी और सी माइनस हो रहे हैं.
ओ वेरी गुड. जब ये फैक्टर बने होंगे, अगर ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे होते तब हम कैंसिल कर सकते थे. ठीक है स्टूडेंट. तो इन सिमिलर वे द लास्ट पार्ट आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. and then you will be able to doing other part of the question at home. Okay, question number 1C, and now question number 1D.
F.
1D. 1D, so you will be able to do this, don't worry. 1D, very, very important thing. F minus 4H. Hope you are doing with in your notebook with me. You are not wasting the time. Yes, 2F
Yes, sir.
minus 5H upon 8K. Now, how can we make same denominators? Dear student, how can I make the same denominators? Okay, three table, read three table, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. What about 8? 8, 16, 24, 32. What comes first? Yes, students, what comes first in both
24,
whole multiples? What comes first?
24, 24, 24.
24. Okay, how can I make this 24? Multiply by 8 by multiplying by 3. So you multiply by 8 and multiply by minus 3. Remember, this is the negative sign. What is our LCM? That is 24. K least power is 1. Now 8F minus, you know this very well. And this is the previous practice that we have already done. Okay, now negative 3 will multiply by 2F. So that is negative 6. Students, if you mistake, you will lose the marks. What? You have to multiply negative and negative positive. This is very important. And now 3 5 is 15. 15H. Can we simplify further? Yes, students. Can I simplify further? 8F minus
Yes, sir.
8F
H is fluid.
minus 32H plus 15H. Okay, how can we simplify now? How can we simplify further? 6F minus 8, 8F minus 6F, how much? 2F,
Sir, 2F.
and now it will be 17H, right?
Yes, sir.
Divided by 24K. Is this the final answer? Can we simplify
Yes,
further?
sir. No, sir.
Can I cancel 2
No,
by
sir.
2 by 24?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir,
Because
because both
2f
variables.
is minus from 17h. That's why we cannot
Ve-
consider.
Very good, very good. Students, you have to complete
Yeah, mic is
student.
muted.
Your home learning is there. Student, your home learning is there. Yes, yes, wait, wait. You have to complete question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 6B, right? Book 2.
Okay.
This will be saved with me. Tomorrow you have to do this. We will start question number 3. 1 and 2 both are same. I have explained. If there is a confusion, inshallah we will keep one student query session to resolve your problems. So student, I hope you all this got this concept. Inshallah, we'll see you tomorrow in the next class. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
sir. Okay, sir.